Ophis Jong District Legal Services Authority East Khasi Hills District haga khat tarik Nailar ka lepelong ye ka Jingïalang Pynsngewthuh bat Hikai Pynshai Paidbah na ka Bynta ki briew kiba shah beiñ kiba wan ne ki longïing kiba duna ka jingioh balatip kum ka Legal Awareness Program on Access to Legal Aid to Victims. Ka jingthmu jangani ka awareness program ka long ban iamir jingmut hapdeng ki doktor ki nurse ki Nongtrei ASHA Bad Agarwadi ki bedon Bynta ki imlang sahlang kum ka compensation scheme ni ka jingai jingiarap by sumar bat by dawai ni ki bamkot bor. Hakini ka awareness program Nongïasait Aiñ balarang ba uba VGK Kynta ulai ka jingbatai bat Hikai Pynshai Paidbah ki balawan ha ka lumpung Jingïalang Shillong Law College tan kiti. Ula batai bat Pynshai halor lightly kimat ki bakentup ka Meghalaya Scheme arjar arpho ka day bat ka Bailut Ksan ka jingsiu Bailut Ksan na kaliang unong ban beiñ sha unong shah ban beiñ.
The program of like a very interesting hammer. The man mostly they can take. They need Khasi is young man. And in Chua and giving late exam. It had one. Not another about threatening domestic violence. They think he can take you. The thing who is Imlang is over. Kataga domestic violence can take short jingai. And then you get a film. Nila ba kita kiba end of depression. Nampak kimla ban share dengan kata domestic violence. Hindi kiba juga kimlang ban batai. Tementar bagi kan hangge yang saya kata kebuktian ini hukum ki FISPA dari community organizers bagi nak banyak yang di nongkeme nampak teng ada nilai kuasaan kian ni dipun hagi nongkeme. Hamtam kiba yang untuk post assessment ada mereka kah di stom. Nampak due to depression. Tengok apa yang jingthmu nanti.
Subsection 7 Section 396 French Victim Compensation Scheme. Sisi dengan banjur hane Section 396 organik Aiñ Mai nila banong in short BNSS 2023 Subsection 7 katakan kumni. The compensation payable by the state government under this section shall be in addition to the payment of fine to the victim under Section 65, Section 70, and subsection 1 of Section 124 of the Bharatiya Nya Samhita 2023, Promote Indian Evidence Act. Sisi dengan ban yang nomor room of jingmut jingai. The compensation payable by the state government under this section covered the compensation by the state, the sarkar, lembaga the district legal services authority and the state legal services authority government shall be in addition. Kamu beri kalau addition, jadi kamu state the legal services authority kalau addition. Yaka berlaku pada Section 65, 70, but Section 124 of the Bharatiya Nya Samhita 2023. Maka kasi kepada dondok ofisial pada negeri bola, ketika dondok nama violat dan yosus pangkali Aiñ mai, pada kamtar yaka Indian Penal Code ada repeat melawan yang nakawai ke Aiñ berkaitan Bharatiya Nya Samhita 2023. Kenapa bandingkan ketika program macam ni? Nampak bandingkan di Section 65 ketika Aiñ Kumai. Kebakaran strong punishment for rape in certain cases. Whoever commits rape on a woman under 16 years of age shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 20 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life, which shall be imprisonment for the remainder of that person's natural life, and shall also be liable to fine. Kanika proviso kalau interesting berteman sultanat mau pilih bersiap kalau ba provided that such fine shall be just and reasonable to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of the victim. Kanika Aiñ Kumai kalau kanika Aiñ Bodra kanika sultan panai kanika Aiñ kalau very benevolent kanika social legislation. Provided further that any fine imposed on this subsection shall be paid to the victim. Kamu kalau fine kamu impose na kalian now accused person now wale comes in. Kalian benda direct to the victim. Isu apa orang hangnya kalian section 65 subsection 2 orang whoever commits rape on a woman under 12 years of age shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term. It shall not be less than 20 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life, which shall be imprisonment for the remainder of the person's natural life, and with fine or with both. Ini yang kita perking siapa pula. Mensyuarakan ke section 376, daftar kadang ketua amendment, hadir makadang ketua kes dari bahaya. Macam kia kemal ketua kes, kalau very offensive, kalau serious siapa pula. Kadang criminal assault, murderous assault, kadang sexual assault, kadang so serious. Bah kelawan kejingkala lembaga section 376 kata. Kadang amendment in 2012.